If you are asking how to do Superscript tags on Canva, you are on the right video. As you can see on your screen here, I have a power to 5 in Superscript tags. This is the regular text, and then the Superscript text are a little bit upper and then smaller from the A. So what you have to do, there are two ways to doing this. First one is very easy. What you have to do, you search apps on Canva. You click apps on Canva and then find for equation. See, this is the equation, and then you just find equation, for instance, like this one. I mean, like this one. Oops, I will remove it. So I will put, let's say, b power to 2, and then insert the equation. See, I have another superscript tags. But the thing is, if you want to use this feature, I believe you have to subscribe to Pro Canva. And then the next thing, the text actually not text, but it is a image that generated by the apps. So this is the first method. And then the second method is very obvious. You have to do it manually. You just create a new text or press T on your keyboard. And then for instance, I will type in B, and then I just enlarge the B until I wish. See, like this, and then I will duplicate the B, make sure it's same font, and then type in 2, and then of course I will adjust the size and positioning the B to make it as a superscript. After that, I will drag until those two selected by my Canva, and then click group. Also, I can change, for instance, if I want to change the B, I just double click the B and then change it to A, and then the power of 2 change to 5, for instance. So that's it. The same result, different way how to do superscript tags on Canva. Okay, that's it, guys. I hope it's helpful. I hope this content is helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel, or you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.